Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is selected at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Suppose the bulb selected in the previous case is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is selected at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Okay, so here we need to find out the probability of two events related to picking up a bulb. Okay, in a lot there are 20 bulbs, but four of them are defective. Okay, right. Now let us solve. So, what is the basic formula for probability? So, probability of any event is given by number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, here we must understand that there is a lot of electric bulbs out in that particular lot. 20 electric bulbs are there. Out of them four are defective. Okay, right now. So first one, to solve this, we need to look at how the total number of bulbs and the specific types, either defective or non-defective, change after the first selection. Here one more point is given. One first selection was done, and based on the first selection, we need to do the second event probability. Okay, so what is the part one given here? In the first scenario, we are looking for the probability of picking up defective bulb from the original lot. Okay, so here total bulbs are 20, defective bulbs are 4, non-defective bulbs are 20 minus 4, that is 16. Okay, now we are going to find out the probability that the first bulb is defective. So to the probability of first bulb to be defective is given by number of defective bulbs by total bulbs. Correct? No. So here number of defective bulbs are nothing but the number of favorable outcomes for that particular event, right? So probability of defective bulbs is equal to number of defective bulbs by total bulbs, right? So now how many defective bulbs are there? Four are there. So 4 by total number of bulbs are 20. 4 by 20, that is equal to 1 by 5, right? Yes. Now what is the second scenario? What is the second selection here without replacement? Now the problem states that the first bulb selected was not defective and was not replaced. Okay, here what is given, first selection was taken as good bulb and it was not replaced, it was being given. This changes the composition of the lot for the second draw. For first draw we have 20 bulbs, but for the second draw they are saying that the first bulb was first bulb was not replaced after picking out. Okay, so now the total number of bulbs becomes only 19 because one bulb was already picked up and it was not replaced in the lot. Okay, so total bulbs will be 20 minus 1. Defective bulbs remaining 4 because the first bulb was non-defective or a good bulb, they are saying. Okay, so non-defective bulbs or good bulbs remaining will be 16 minus 1, that is equal to 15. Previously there are 16 non-defective bulbs or good bulbs, but what it is given, one bulb was removed, a good bulb was removed and it was not at all replaced. That's why non-defective bulbs or good bulbs remaining will be 16 minus 1, that is equal to 15. Now the probability that the second bulb is not defective, that means a good bulb, will be given by remaining good bulb, the number of remaining good bulbs divided by remaining total bulbs. That should be taken into consideration. Okay, so what is the probability of not defective bulbs or a good bulb, or drawing a good bulb, will be given by 15 by 19, because 15 is the number of remaining good bulbs and 19 is the total number of bulbs, because already one bulb is removed or picked up and it was not at all replaced. Okay, a simple one only. So in a lot of 20 bulbs where 16 are good bulbs and 4 are defective bulbs, the probability of getting a defective bulb in the first draw will be equal to 4 by 20 or 1 by 5. Okay, or in the second draw, when a good bulb is picked up first and which is not replaced, the probability of getting a good bulb or a non defective bulb will be equal to 15 by 19. Okay, I hope it is very easy. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.